Today we're going to cut out a cute and festive, challenging but not too challenging heart snowflake for Valentine's Day. For this one, all you need is a pair of scissors, so grab those, grab your pattern, and let's get started. Let's get started by making sure we have everything we need to make our Hearts Aplenty paper snowflake. First, you need the pattern. These patterns are available as PDF downloads on my website, papersnowflakeart.com. And this one, you just need a pair of scissors. If you need help downloading and printing the PDFs, you can watch the video that we created to show you step by step how to download, print them out. And we have another video about how to fold them. So if you need any help with that, you can watch that video. We'll recap real quickly here. You'll start by trimming your directions right off the bottom. That way, if you need to refer back to them in the middle of the folding, you can. You'll set those off to the side. Take your pattern, fold it in half along this line right in the middle. Try to get as close to that line as you can. Then you'll take number 2, match it to number 2. Fold it nice and flat. Number 3 comes to number 3. You should have a nice sharp point. And number 4 to number 4. Then you're ready to cut. We'll cut out all the areas that are in black and leave the white. I like to start by trimming off the extra paper at the end, so that leaves us with this little pie slice. And when I cut hearts, I find it easiest to cut starting at the tip here and down to the bottom. Start at the top and cut down to the bottom. I think it's just a little bit easier to get around that tight corner first and then come down to the bottom. So we're cutting out all the sections in black, leaving the white. If you want to experiment with cutting your own heart snowflakes without using this template, you can do that. You just draw hearts in one direction this way and then flip it. It's upside down on the other one. Try to leave a little bit of a gap here. Don't come too close to that fold or you might cut through. And again, on the other side, start at the top of the heart. Work your way down to the bottom. Start at the top. And then flatten out the tips there. Once you have your hearts cut out, you're just filling in the gaps here, cutting out any of the extra black part of the pattern. When in doubt, give yourself a little bit of extra room. Careful not to cut your fingers. I have done that before. Around the heart. Again, when in doubt, give yourself extra space. Depending on your fold, you may need a little bit of extra room. Always hold your snowflake really tight when you're going around the curves like this. That's the most challenging part. if the layers start to slide around. Here we go, we're all set, ready to unfold. This is a great snowflake for hanging because it is a little sturdier. It's got a lot of connection points. It's a nice one to hang from the ceiling, or you can tape it in your window. You can put it inside of a Valentine's Day card or on top of a package. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can let me know how you liked this pattern and how it turned out for you by liking this video or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more paper snowflake art fun.